After making your own pickled jalapeños and carrots with this recipe, you will never buy the canned ones again. They are very easy to make and you can keep them in the refrigerator for up to a month. Simply cut your carrots in a bias cut and set them aside. I forgot to hit record before peeling them. Make sure you don't skip that step. Slice your white onion into about 1/4-inch slices. Set them aside separate from the carrots, as they will be cooked at different intervals. Leave the garlic cloves whole. I use 10 individual garlic cloves. They vary in sizes, but they should yield about 40 grams. Take the stems off the jalapeños and cut them into 5 to 6 slices each, depending on how big they are. As they vary in sizes, you can take out the seeds if you don't want it to be too spicy. To begin the cooking process, simply heat up a pan and add your olive oil. Add your onion and garlic. Cook them in low heat without getting a sear on them for about 5 minutes. Next, add your carrots and jalapeños, maintaining the heat low. You can add a little bit more oil if necessary. Cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want to almost confit them in the oil, making sure not to get a sear on them. Add 2 tablespoons of pickling spice. This process will transform the brine into an aromatic and flavorful liquid, and will also help balance the harshness of the vinegar. Give it a couple minutes for the aroma to incorporate into the vegetables. Create the brine by adding 1 cup of water, along with 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. If you use iodized salt, start with 1 tablespoon first, then add more if necessary. Iodized salt is a lot finer, so it is easy to overdo it if you are not careful. Let the salt and sugar dissolve into the water. Finally, turn off the heat and add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of distilled white vinegar. Adding the vinegars is the last step after the heat is off. You don't want to lose the acidity to evaporation. Place it in a mason jar. Let it cool down fully before closing the lid. Read the recipe description for more details. Stay tuned for more easy-to-replicate restaurant-style recipes.